what's up? We got fried rice going on tonight. Don't look like it yet, but here's one ingredient. Here's another. The scrambled eggs. Here's another. The onions in the pan that I couldn't get all the eggs out of. Didn't use enough oil or whatever. And anyway, it's gonna mix all together anyway. So, and then we got some mushrooms and some cilantro. And here's for the protein. We got some marinated beef under there, and that's crab. So beef and crab, yeah. And just like that, we are getting there. Check it out. I put ginger and garlic in there as well, and a little splash of sesame oil, another splash of olive oil, and that's where we're at right now. And there we have it, you guys. Friggin' so friggin' easy. As long as you have this crap at home already, or go to the store, pick it up. Just a bunch of veggies. I obviously don't have carrots and peas in there as I should, but I didn't want to go to the friggin' store today. You know, just chilling, chilling. And there you go. Thanks for coming back, you guys. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment if you want. You know, all that cringy YouTube crap. So anyway, there you go. So friggin' easy this is. Alright, Chronic Eats out. Peace.